Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Technology. Today we are going to deal with conversion of textual files. And for that purpose I have one document written in latex, one written in markup, and one written in plain text. I am using VS Code in here, but you could use any other text editor you like. In regards of application that we need for this purpose, I am going to show you what I have installed. So first application that we need is pandoc. Pandoc is a great application for conversion of textual files, and I'm going to show you how to use it in most of these examples. And one that I have installed, it's this pandoc CLI. This is recently updated from pandoc application. And now I'm going to show you version. See, I have pandoc 3.0.1 running. And the other application that I want to show you, it's one that you are going to need in order to deal with latex files. So the best way possible for conversion of latex files, it's text live core, but even for this purpose you could use pandoc 2. But pdflatex, it's actually much better if you have to use some specialized latex packages. Now I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to use terminal from my VS Code. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to convert my plain text file into PDF. So for that purpose I'm going to use pandoc. So plain.txt to plain.pdf. And let me show you how that looks. You see, we have converted textual file. And now I'm going to use the same thing but with epub. In case when we need a title for our document, we would have to provide a metadata key to our pandoc. And now let me show you the result. This epub. Yeah, exactly as we expected. But not only that, we could do with HTML, or we could do with docx. So we have our HTML from plain text, and we have our docx. And let me show you another thing. I'm going to open this plain docx, and I'm going to add one more paragraph. Save that, close this window, and now I'm going to convert from plain docx into plain updated txt. And let me show you the result. Just see, where is it? Yeah, updated. You see, we have our additional paragraph. And we could do exactly the same with markdown and with latex. Let me show you just one example with every single format. So I'm going to use pandoc with testmd, and I'm going to export this into testmd PDF. Okay, let's see the result. So testmd PDF. Now we have our markup converted into PDF. You could use exactly the same technique in order to convert this document into EPUB or plain text, whatever you like. And finally, latex. Latex, it's a little bit complicated, so you could actually use this pandoc in order to convert latex files. So text, test text PDF. So you see unusual conversion. To convert text file to PDF, you get better result by using pdflatex, exactly as I described. And later on we are going to use this pdflatex for this purpose. But let me show you the result. So this document, test text PDF. Yeah, we have our result. And now we are going to use pdflatex for test text, and I'm going to execute this. Our result is written in test PDF. Let me check. So this is our result from latex, and this one, test text PDF, it's from pandoc. You see, so both of applications are working in case of latex, but we are getting different result. So which application you are going to use in order to convert latex to PDF, it's absolutely on you. But definitely pdflatex is what is suggested. So that's pretty much it for this episode, guys. I hope that you like this content, so please subscribe and see ya!